myViewBoard Display is an app that's installed on the panel. It allows us to cast to the panel from our device without being on the same network as the panel itself. It also doesn't require any special software, so it's actually great for guests who are visiting who need to share their screen. Open Display, and it will show a web address to go to, which is myviewboard.com/display. You'll also notice that there's a display code. This is unique to the board. There's also a one-time password that automatically refreshes every 30 seconds for security purposes. On your laptop, type in the display code that's displayed on the panel. You don't need to type in the dashes. The one-time password will refresh, so make sure that it's the same password that's displayed on the board. When you're finished, click the Present Now button, and then choose which screen you want to share, your entire screen, a specific application, or a specific tab. Remember, you can only cast one screen at a time. Also, you need to be on a full browser running Chrome or Edge, so a MacBook, a Windows laptop, or a Chrome device.